we have started for now. We are focusing on the number 3 goal of Swachh Bharat mission, and that is why with this mission ahead, we have started online now applications for toilets. And if there is any assistance you require from us, we are there to serve you. We have also launched a PWD app. If you have to download it from the Play Store, where it is called PWD Goa, where you can launch. A lot of people are interacting and they're launching, putting the potholes which are there on the Goa. We're improvising on that. So I would like all the Sompur Mitras, all the Panchayat members, all the people present on today's platform to download the app. And if you require any help in downloading and getting the systems done, I am there to help you. My team is there to help you. That is why we are improvising. And about the water leakages, we are shortly coming in the same app because we want to make one app for Goa on PWD, where I know we have water leakages, phone numbers, but sometimes you know how the system works. So that is why with artificial intelligence in the system, the PWD Goa app shortly will also take water issues and water leakage issues and all related issues of PWD on the line, like how we have started for potholes.